Checking your blood pressure at home is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But with so many options on Amazon, which one is actually worth your money in 2026? Today, we're comparing the 5 best sellers: Omron, Dr. Morepen, A&D Medical, Tata 1mg, and Dr. Trust. We'll look at accuracy, memory, and which one offers the best value. Let's dive in. First up is the gold standard, the Omron HEM 7120. It uses IntelliSense technology, which ensures the cuff inflates to the ideal level without over-tightening. It's famous for its one-touch operation. While it only stores the last reading, its clinical accuracy is what keeps it at the top of the charts year after year. Perfect for seniors who want something simple and reliable. Dr. Morepen BP02. If you're looking for something budget-friendly without sacrificing basic functionality, the Dr. Morepen BP02 is a staple. It's lightweight, easy to use, and features a large display. It also features automatic inflation, irregular heartbeat detection, and memory storage. This is a great option if you're looking for a low-cost BP monitor with essential features. It's a great entry-level device for those who need to keep a casual eye on their numbers. A&D Medical UA611. Now, if accuracy is your only priority, look at the A&D Medical UA611. This machine is BIHS and ASH approved, meaning it meets strict British and European Hypertension Society standards. It's professional-grade tech brought into the home. It offers one-button operation and high reliability. It has a 30-reading memory and a very slim design compared to the others. Tata 1mg Arm BP Monitor. The Tata 1mg monitor is a great modern choice. The standout feature here is the dual user support. It stores 90 sets of memory for 2 different people. Plus, it can be powered by a USB cable, so you don't always have to rely on AA batteries. The large LCD display makes it very easy to read. It's a smart, versatile choice for a household. Finally, we have the Dr. Trust Comfort. This one features MDI technology, which stands for Measurement During Inflation. This means it records your BP while the cuff is pumping up, making it much faster and less painful than traditional monitors. Best for comfort and modern features. Offers comfortable cuff design and good memory support. The sleek black design and large LCD make it the most high-tech looking device on this list. Looking at them side by side, if you want the most trusted brand, go Omron. For strict clinical validation, choose A&D Medical. For a family of 2, Tata 1mg is the winner. And for the fastest, most comfortable experience, Dr. Trust takes the lead. For best budget option, you may choose Dr. Morepen. All 5 links are in the description below. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech and health reviews. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.